Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I will discuss on Windows operating system topic, which is control panel, and these some topics will be covered within a series of videos on control panel, because there are many items in this panel you see here. So one by one I will be discussed which are important to our common users, and also hardware persons which they are to attend in their day-to-day works, and to build the confidence level in your control panel operations. So I will discuss now one by one. And first of all, the short command to open this control panel setting is Windows R, and right here only control. It will open up your control panel. So next, yes, it is okay. This is already open, so it is opened control panel, and you can write this control space panel also to open this control panel. And if it is you are to open from this Windows, go to start, and you may see here a control panel option, and somewhere in the desktop there is a control panel. So there is many options to proceed to the control panel area. Now you see what is control panel. The meaning says it is the controlling options of computer systems, computer details, and computer environment. So this is controlling about the PCs, their Windows operating system, and with the computer settings, both involving this software and hardware options from this area. You see the first option is here action center, and somewhere there will be admin tool also. So I think we should discuss a little about what are the things here kept here for us. You see this is the action center, means some information given here is to yes, it also explains that some message will be there which will be pay attention to do something about your computer importances, computer problems. So what are the problems? This notification will also show somewhere there that some issues pending. So these issues may be from the action centers. So you will see here what are these. So there is two options that the issue one is the Windows update is you can change the Windows update option here, and second option is your backup is important, and last backup was on the date 24th September. And further it also discuss if you do not see your problem listed by one of these, then try troubleshooting and recovery for any computer issues. So this is suggestion of this action center. So there is no major importance of this message, so I have no issues here. So I return to this control panel home area here, and this is you see the admin panels, which is most important topic of this area. Admin panel has something major issues controlling this entire computer systems. Suppose you want to see services, then you directly go from this here services options, which will control some software and hardware options. And there is event log recorder here. You want to see the view the event log from these options. You want to manage your computer hardware options, then there is a computer management here. And there is schedule task option here, and also somewhere there is local policy, where password policy is there, account policy is there. So this is a little bit more important, and I will discuss something more about this topic one by one, and I will just overview this today, the categories of control panels. So just overview is here, and autoplay is, the autoplay option is that the configure is the CDs autoplay or some folder autoplay, and these are the options, and there are a large amount of options kept here which can be automatically played by the computer, by this operating system. That is audio, video, DVDs, movies, picture file, etc. whatever in this your area, that is whatever in your city, whatever in this in your pen drive, it will be automatically opened in the system. Because why? Because you have open these options, you have chosen these options, that is automatically. So here the options there, play audio CD automatically. Here you see here is the options of media player, PLC media player, Never Express, open folder. Yes, open folder to view the file options, and that is use autoplay for all media devices. That is, I have chosen these options, so it will be automatically open the details of this file. So these are the options, just like, and I will discuss again it in my coming videos. So, and this is the category options. Here large category view is there. So, and again third or fourth is this backup and restore. That is, I can take backup my files to somewhere in this computer in separate drive, and I can restore this to the system with the help of this restore option there. So backup and restore will be discussed in my next coming videos. So I think there are many more things, whatever you want to know. Suppose date and time, the present date and time, and there can be options so internet time updated by this PC, and default programs with whatever programs lying in this computer, and budgets for whatever going to see on the desktop, device and printers, whatever printers are installed in this PCs, device manager, whatever drives and devices are working on this computer. So display settings is there, fonts are there available there. So in the next coming videos I will cover the other things also. So thank you for viewing this video, and if it is liked by your introduction to control panel, please click on the like button. Thank you.